Such a cute, shaggy pixie haircut. Loved that transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have the stylist doing a bob haircut. Adding some bangs in the front to frame out the face. And he does a nice classic and simple bob style. So cute, and I love her makeup and everything, her jacket. Such a cute hairstyle. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone who decided to switch up their color with some ginger orange colored hair. I absolutely love this hair color trend. Definitely by far one of my favorite trends of 2023. And she did end up getting just a little bit of layers mixed in to kind of frame out her face. She looks absolutely amazing. Very nice. And then we have another dancing transformation with someone who has curly hair. Wow. Oh, I love her hair texture. The copper color looks absolutely gorgeous mixed with her curls. Beautifully done. Next up, we have someone who has hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut with this hair change. Very nice. Nice, simple, and chic bob style. So it looks like we have another haircut transformation for the next one. A little bit of color. And a beautiful shoulder length bob style. I love the dimension of the color. Very nice. And then we have someone with a short buzz cut here. Oh, icy into pink. Wow. Very bold hair idea. Next up, we move on to someone who also has some wavy hair. Oh, I really like the way he defined her natural curls, giving her a nice tousled shoulder length bob. Beautiful ginger hair color. Amazing. So it looks like we have another bob hair transformation here. Oh, she has some money piece highlights going there in the front, a little bit of pink. Oh, this is pretty. And she did end up getting like a mini bob haircut. Very cute and chic. And then we have another bob haircut change. And she gets a nice, fresh, tousled bob makeover. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.